How to add my house name to Google Map. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Google Maps. Then, on your bottom left corner, you will see an option of Contribute in the navigation bar. Tap on it. After this page loads, what you will have to do is go to Add Place. And after it loads, you will get an option to add the location of your home. You can add it manually or also use it on map. So simply fill up these details and then simply submit it. After being checked or authorized, your home location will be shown in map. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.